Whether you use baking soda and vinegar separately or together around the house, there's no doubt these environmentally friendly cleaning ingredients serve as the perfect combination for many cleaning tasks. Plus, they're both usually readily available in most people's homes, so they're unlikely to cost you anything. Use these ingenious hacks for cleaning with vinegar and baking soda throughout your home for a safe, worry-free clean. 1. Clean your toilet. Whether you want to clean your toilet bowl or the tank, you can use vinegar and baking soda. Start by shutting off the shutoff valve that supplies your toilet with water and flush until there's no water in the tank or the bowl. Sprinkle some baking soda in the bowl and let it sit. You can work it in with a toilet brush for discolored areas. Spray down the inside of your toilet tank with vinegar, trying not to wet the metal components inside. Put some baking soda on a scrub brush and scrub the inside of the tank. Let both the tank and the bowl sit for 10 minutes before you turn the water back on and flush the residue away. 2. Get pots and pans looking new. Have stains on your pots and pans or stuck on food that you can't seem to get off? Sprinkle some baking soda over the affected areas, then wet a cotton cloth with some vinegar and use it to scrub the baking soda. The gentle friction you create with the powder should be enough to remove stains. 3. Clean out the sink drain. You can use vinegar and baking soda together to clean the gunk out of your kitchen and bathroom sinks, including soap scum, food scraps, and even mineral buildup from hard water. Simply pour 1 cup of baking soda down your drain and let it sit for a few minutes. Next, pour 2 cups of white distilled vinegar into the drain. The mixture will fizz and might bubble out into the sink. That's expected. Wait 10 minutes, then run hot water down your drain for a minute, followed by cold water down the drain for another minute. You can sprinkle a little baking soda around problem areas in the sink and scrub with an old toothbrush to clean off any visible debris while you're at it. 4. Cleaning the dishwasher. Much like your sink drains, your dishwasher is likely to see a buildup of food scraps, soap scum, and hard water minerals over time. Enter vinegar and baking soda once again. Place 1 cup of white distilled vinegar in an upright cup, place it on the top level of your dishwasher, and run a normal cycle. Once it's finished, sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher and run another cycle. Your dishes will be clean and sparkly, and the vinegar and baking soda will help to remove some gunk from the interior components and drain line. 5. Freshen your tile grout. Mix warm water, baking soda, and white vinegar in a ratio of 2 to 1 to 2. Dip an old toothbrush into the mixture and scrub the lines of grout in your kitchen or bathroom. It should pull up new and old stains as well as remove any dirt and other debris stuck between the tiles. Once you're done going over your floor or backsplash, use a clean, damp cotton cloth to remove any baking soda residue and make your tiles look like new again. 6. Remove carpet stains. While a red wine stain or other dark stain may need heavy-duty cleaning if it sets in, you can use vinegar and baking soda to remove fresh stains. Make a paste by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar to 1/2 cup of baking soda. Add more vinegar if the paste is too dry or more baking soda if it's too liquidy. Spread the paste over the carpet stain and let it sit for a few hours. Finally, vacuum up the remnants and repeat as necessary. 7. Remove hard water stains from the shower door. Vinegar's great for breaking up mineral deposits on your shower doors or the mirrors in your bathroom. Mix a solution of water and vinegar in a 1-to-1 ratio on the glass and scrub clean with a microfiber cloth. You can add 1/2 part of baking soda to the mixture for particularly tough hard water stains. Use bottled or distilled water to help remove the hard water stains and keep them from returning after cleaning. 8. Deodorize your fridge. Baking soda readily absorbs odors, so leaving an open box in your fridge is an excellent way to prevent food odors from taking over. If you've let your refrigerator go too far, though, you can do a quick clean with vinegar and baking soda to get it smelling fresh again. After emptying the fridge, spray the insides with a 1-to-1 mixture of water and vinegar and wipe it clean. For areas with food buildup or other gunk, sprinkle on some baking soda and scrub again. Finish by leaving an open box of baking soda inside to keep odors at bay. 9. De-tarnish your silverware. You can also get your silverware and cutlery looking like new again with these household cleaners, as they pretty reliably remove rust from metal. Mix up a paste using 3 parts of baking soda and 1 part of vinegar. Put some paste on your silverware and rub it in using a cotton cloth. This will remove stains and tarnished areas and provide a nice shine. Give it a quick rinse before moving on to the next piece. 10. Remove odors from your garbage can. Garbage cans are a hot spot for odors, but with vinegar and baking soda at your side, you'll have your trash can smelling fresh in no time. Start by spraying a 1-to-1 mixture of water and vinegar onto the inside of the can and letting it sit for about 1 minute. Wipe down the inside walls. The vinegar should cut out lingering odors and kill the bacteria in your garbage can, but you can also sprinkle 1/4 of a cup of baking soda in the bottom of the can liner before putting in a new bag. The baking soda will absorb any new odors that show up. 11. Descale and clean your coffee maker. Coffee makers need routine descaling to remove calcium and magnesium from hard water. Start by filling your coffee maker with a 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar and water, and then run it. Dump the water and run a few more cycles with just water to get any lingering vinegar out. 12. The sink. To clean the sink, sprinkle a thin layer of baking soda over the bottom, then pour in enough vinegar to make it foam. Scrub with a soft sponge, making sure to get the sides as well as the bottom. This will bring back your sink to a shiny-looking state. 13. Shower mold and mildew. To clear shower mold or mildew, spray the area with white vinegar, let it sit for an hour, then wipe with a warm, wet cloth. If that doesn't clear the mold, make a paste of baking soda and water and gently scrub that on with a soft sponge. 14. Microwave. Combine 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of vinegar in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave it for 4 to 5 minutes, keeping watch so the mixture doesn't boil over. When it's done, leave the door closed, allowing steam to loosen stains. Wipe with a clean towel. Use a baking soda paste to scrub away any stuck-on spots. 15. Revitalize towels. Towels can become stiff or smelly thanks to repeated use of detergent and fabric softener on them. Soap residue can make towels dry less effectively, so they may take on a funky smell or feel rough. Restore them with baking soda and vinegar. To do this, first wash your towels with 1 cup of vinegar and a hot water cycle. Don't add any detergent. Then wash them a second time in hot water and 1 cup of baking soda. Finally, run them through the dryer without using fabric softener. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of a number of pests using baking soda. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.